Hello friends, here are the top 5 free lifestyle apps for Android phones. If you are searching for such lifestyle apps, then you clicked on the right video. Now let's see our fifth lifestyle app. Our fifth lifestyle app is Time and I. Time and I is a free Android app and it is visually pretty appealing. It is a time tracking app which has several uses. You can use Time and I for personal use, and you can also use this app to monitor how much time you are spending, and you can also track how much time you are spending on your work projects or hobbies and many more things. Now let's see our fourth app. Our fourth app is Tripit. Tripit is an app which makes traveling easy for users. People often find traveling hectic and troublesome, as you have to go through many things like emails and figure out your flight and train and their timings. Using an app is an excellent option for making your traveling plans easier and more happier. Now let's see our third app. Our third app is Cozy Family Organizer. For a happy and healthy life, it is essential that you spend quality time with your family. You can easily manage your time and find enough time for your family with the help of Cozy Family Organizer. You can handle the schedule of family members, and you can also schedule their activities and appointment using Cozy Family Organizer. Now let's see our second app. A second app is Fabulous. Build healthy habits with Fabulous is very easy, so you can enjoy a healthier and a happier life. Fabulous app takes a holistic approach that motivates you to be more productive. You will maximize energy level and find more flows, lose weight, and you can also get a better sleep. Now let's see our first app. Our first app is Remente. Being healthy is more than just eating right or drinking enough water and sleeping well. It is also about getting your mind right. The Remente app gives you many resources to help search your life for happiness. You can handle your stress, worry, and anxiety using this app. So guys, these are the top 5 free lifestyle apps for Android phones. Hope you like this video. Please like and share. Thank you.